madali ang magpatugtog ng musical instrument gaya ng marimba. Pero para kay Tristan Mendoza o Tumtum, ang pagtugtog nito ay bagay na hinahangaan ng mga nakakapanood sa kanya. Sa kabila ng kanyang kondisyon, kinikilala si Tumtum bilang marimba virtuoso, hindi lang sa bansa kundi maging sa ibang panig ng mundo.
I love the performance in Brunei and even during the annual World Autism Awareness Day celebrations that so far have been held at SM The Block and as well as SM Skydome.
Kahit pa may autism si Tumtum, hindi rin iyon naging hadlang para hindi niya matapos ang kanyang pag-aaral. Sa katunayan, nito lamang Marso ay nagtapos siya sa kolehiyo kung saan kurso sa music ang kanyang kinuha sa UP College of Music.
I've just had my graduation recital last week and then I really loved inspired to touch lives with how I play and how I play them, and I was so glad that my best friends were there.
Dahil dito, mas naging mahusay na manunugtog si Tumtum at ang tagumpay niya ito ay bagay na ipinagmamalaki ng kanyang pamilya lalo na ng kanyang ina na si Belina.
It is really overwhelming kasi it never came into my mind, no? Never in my wild dreams. Simple lang naman yung iniisip ko sa anak ko. That's why when ever I see him, most especially when he's already outside the Philippines.
Ayon sa Autism Society Philippines, si Tumtum ay isa lamang patunay na hindi hadlang ang nasabing learning disability para ang pangarap ay matupad. May espesyal kasi silang pangangailangan na dapat tugunan ng mga magulang. Kailangan daw ay bigyan din sila ng mas mahabang atensyon at pasensya dahil iba ang pamamaraan nila ng pagpoproseso ng impormasyon.
Because of their condition, okay, the minute that this all information enters, okay, their brain, they have a hard time, or their brain has a hard time processing it, or if not hard time, their brain has a different way of processing it.
Sa mga magulang ng mga batang may autism, huwag daw isiping walang kinabukasan na mararating ang inyong anak. Ipinapayo ng mga eksperto na kailangan tanggapin ang kanilang kondisyon.
The minute a parent learns to accept his or her child with such condition, then everything will fall into place.
Malaki raw ang may tutulong na suporta mula sa mga organisasyong may kinalaman sa autism dahil patuloy ang mga pag-aaral para sa pinakabagong pamamaraan kung paano magagabayan ang mga magulang at batang mayroon nito.
The minute that they realize that they're not alone, then it's easier for them to carry, I don't want to call it burden, but to face the challenge and continue living.
Sa darating na 28 at 29 ng Abril, magaganap ang 12th National Conference on Autism. Dito ay magkakaroon ng lecture, palitan ng kuro-kuro, at pag-uusapan din ang new technology and educational approach ukol sa ganitong kondisyon. Sa mga interesado, maaari kayong tumawag sa 926-6941 o kaya bumisita sa kanilang website.
Alright, alam nyo naman itong buong linggo na ito pinaghahandaan natin yung mga pag-out of town ng mga pamilya dyan, lalo na doon sa mga nagsiselebrate or gumugunita sa Holy Week sa kanilang mga probinsya o sa mga resort. At syempre, meron tayong mga kasama mga bata. Paano ba sila hindi mabubor, lalo na syempre matraffic pag sabay-sabay umalis ng Metro Manila? Para sa mga suggestions, kasama natin ang media director ng Banky Trading, Miss Jenny Fernandez. Good morning, Miss
Hi,
Jenny.
good morning.
And to think paulit-ulit ko tinatanong, media director ng Banky Trading. Miss Jenny, what are your suggestions kung ano yung mga pwedeng laruin ng mga bata during the long trips?
Okay, ngayong summer, marami kaming isa-suggest ng mga brands para to keep the kids busy.
Alright.
Okay, we have the first one. Ito yung 3D Gear Cube.
Oo.
Yeah, it was designed by the same person na gumawa ng Rubik's.
Ayun. Pero it's different in a way, no? You were showing it to me kanina kasi umaangat yung gilid niya.
Yes, it has this 3D aspect na pag nagtutwist ka,
Oo.
umiikot din yung mga gears. So it's more challenging
Oh
for
my
kids.
goodness. So yung mga, alam mo kasi marami na rin sa mga Pinoy na master na nila yung Rubik's.
Yes.
Ang bilis-bilis na nila. So ito yung parang level up.
Yes, iba naman ng strategy.
Wow. O yan, subukan nyo yan para doon sa mga long trips. This is for older kids, I assume.
Yes, from
Oo.
7 and up.
7 and up. All right. What else do you have for our
We
kids?
have the LeapPad. It's the
Okay.
first ever tablet for kids.
I know!
Para sa mga kids na high-tech.
Shato kayo mga bata. Swerte ninyo.
Yeah, it comes with a high-resolution touchscreen na. May built-in microphone, may built-in camera.
Okay.
So the kids can, it has parang a studio where kids can make their own stories using their own photos. And then they can make their own voice recordings.
Okay.
You can download apps.
So may parang wifi din yan?
Yes, you can download apps, you can download books.
Oo.
So, nakakabasa yung mga bata sa
How
kotse.
wonderful is
Yes.
that? So, kumbaga, meron kayong, para kasi minsan lagi, syempre, yung mga gamit ng mga parents yung hinihiram nila. At least now they have
Yes,
for
they
the kids
have
talaga.
their own set of gadgets na.
Ayun. In
Yes.
terms of price point naman, mas mura naman siya dun sa gadgets sa mga
Of course,
magulang.
yes. It's about $7,000.
$7,000. And then,
Yeah.
okay, so you can do all sorts of things. I didn't know na may wifi na pala yan. Kayo talaga. Oh, what else do we have?
We have my own laptop.
Okay.
It's for toddlers naman, for younger kids.
Aha.
It's a laptop.
Okay.
So it teaches kids to be computer literate.
All right, all right.
Oo. And then they can you can do pretend play. You can send hindi man send but make emails.
Aba.
Oo. And then you can download songs.
Oo.
They can make their own playlist.
Oo.
Parang laptop.
Aba, hanip
Oo,
naman.
yes. Oo,
Teka,
pwede.
so may wifi din, naka-download
Wala
talaga
naman,
sila.
But it needs internet connection.
It needs internet connection. Oh, all right. And then, meron ba tayo medyo low-tech? Medyo low-tech na lang. Ano pa yung mga meron dyan for the kids?
Yes, we have the Gelarty, no, for younger
Ay,
girls.
gustong-gusto yun ng mga
naman.
anak namin.
Yes, you can make your own stickers.
Okay.
You can embellish them with mga stones and whatever accessories.
Alright.
You can stick them anywhere. So kung
Oo.
nasa kotse sila, you can stick them on the window and it's reusable. Pwede mo tanggalin and stick them again.
And then,
somewhere else.
so wag kayong mag-alala kapag dinikit yan doon sa mga ano, kasi pwede naman siya tanggalin. Tapos
Yes.
idikit naman sa bintana ng bahay ninyo. Di ba? And then, of course, we've got our usual other games that you can bring, yung mga card games, di ba?
Yes,
You can
we have the Cartamundi. It's the same manufacturer. Lahat ng mga cars since 1970s.
Okay.
Pero ngayon, yung mga cars pambata, may mga characters.
Ayan naman ang
so
mga
it makes
gusto
it more
nila.
fun. Oo.
Alam mo, ang fun dun sa games na ganyan, syempre, natututo kayo mag-take turns, natututo kayo matalo kasi
Yes.
hindi naman laging nananalo, di ba?
Yes.
Natututo rin mag-add yung ibang mga bata
Yes.
from the card
And
games.
natututo yung mga bata maging patient.
Oo nga.
Yes.
Wait your turn. Wait
Yeah.
your turn. Naku, Miss Jenny, maraming salamat. Any last tips para doon sa mga babiyahe ng mahabang biyahe with their kids?
We'll just make sure that the kids are doing something para hindi sila bored, para
Yes.
ma-stimulate yung ano nila, imagination nila.
Oo.
And all through play.
Ayun. So,
Yes.
even though that you're spending hours together, bonding time, marami din sila natututunan
Yes,
at nagagawa.
exactly.
Thank you, Miss
Thank you.
Jenny.
Thank you, Susie.
Yan, Media Director ng Banky Trading. Babalik po ang unang hirit.
Maraming salamat sa aming sponsors. Ultra Mega Supermarket. Let's face it,